My name is Dan Petit, and I'm Director of Bird Conservation at the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation in Washington, D.C. The National Fish and Wildlife Foundation was chartered by Congress in 1984 as a means of leveraging private dollars for conservation work. The partnership project that SFI and the foundation is collaborating on deals with creation of early successional forest habitat to benefit some 24 species of migratory birds. These are species that have shown steep declines over the last 4 decades. We believe that partnering with the timber products industry will allow us to create high quality successional habitat for these birds and hence help recover those. This project provides some very clear linkages between the goals and philosophy of SFI as well as the larger objectives of the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation. And specifically, we're both interested in attaining an increased and enhanced biological diversity in managed landscapes. And what this opportunity allows us to do is to achieve those goals through some very high quality forest management activities. This project is of utmost importance for achieving the goals of the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation. What this project does is gives us access to forests that have been certified to be of high quality for migratory birds. And the acreage here is not small. 175 million acres potentially could provide some high value to migratory birds. So without this partnership that has been established by SFI through this grant, we wouldn't have access to those lands, and hence I'm afraid that our goals probably would fall a little bit short. Third-party certification is very important, not only for the forestry industry, but for the conservation community at large. It's important because it offers the ability to not only generate economic revenue from a land base, but also to generate conservation outcomes from that land base. And so without the strong economic revenue being generated, these sorts of conservation objectives and outcomes would be hard to sustain over the long term. In other words, a strong sustainable economic system goes hand in hand with a strong, sustainable conservation system as well.